Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see Fanuc program transfer tool setting in machine side and computer side. First we will see machine side settings. Press System button. Press right arrow soft key 7 times until embed port soft key appears. Press embed port soft key. Press common soft key. Type the IP address as per your requirement. Press focus soft key. Ensure the values is shown. Now we will see computer side settings. Open setting dialog software. Type the machine name as per your requirement. In CNC type, select the Fanuc controller series. Switch to program memory. Tick the box Communicate with program memory. Type the IP address as entered in your machine. Then press Save button. Confirm by pressing Yes button. Type network connection in Windows search bar. Click on Open option. Right-click on the mouse over the Ethernet connection and click on Properties. Now double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following IP address option. Type the first 3 IP address values same as entered in machine. Whereas the 4th IP address value should be different from that of machine. Subnet mask value should be same as machine. Press OK. Press OK. Press Communicate Setting Confirmation button to check the connection. You can see that machine is pinging with computer. Press Exit. Now open Program Transfer Tool software. The above tab will display files available in PC. Click on the machine name to get the program list in CNC machine. Place the cursor on Computer Side tab and then right-click on mouse to create folder. Type the folder name where you want to transfer the program files from PC to machine. Press Create button. Thank you for watching the video.